Good morning, students. I am Vinita Kumare, Digital Science from Kendra Vidyalaya, Masrak. Today, we will discuss about the remaining part of chapter Nutrition in Animals. Students, we talked about this chapter earlier also. Now, we will talk about the remaining part of this chapter. The objective of these topics are understand about process of digestion in grass eating animals, and the second is understand about process of feeding in digestion in amoeba. Now let us start with digestion in grass eating animals. Grass eating animals like cows and buffalo quickly swallow the grass and store it in a separate part of the stomach called rumen. Here, the food is partially digested and is called curd. This curd is brought back to the mouth in small lumps and chewed. This process is called rumination. Students, we also see in our surrounding that grass eating animals like cows and buffalo used to chewing their food long time after they had eaten. The chewed food then passes into a sac-like structure between the small intestine and large intestine. The cellulose in the grass is digested with the help of some bacteria. Here we have a picture of digestive system of grass eating animals. We can see that the various parts of this animal which is quite different from ours or human beings digestive system. I am also sharing a video relevant to this topic.
The ruminants, the grass eaters which chew half digested food or ruminate are called ruminants. They have special stomachs which are divided into 4 compartments: rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. In ruminants, half chewed grass travels from the mouth to the first chamber of the stomach, where it is acted upon by bacteria and other microorganisms. Then it enters into the second muscular chamber. From there, it is sent back to the mouth to be chewed again. This is what the cow chews when it seems to be munching something thoughtfully. Then we say the animal is chewing cud or ruminating. The rechewed food is swallowed again. This time, it bypasses the first two chambers and enters the third chamber. Here, it is broken down into still smaller pieces. Finally, it enters the fourth chamber where enzymes act upon it and digestion is completed.
Hope you followed this video. Now let us talk about feeding and digestion in amoeba. Feeding and digestion in amoeba includes ingestion, digestion, egestion, assimilation and absorption. Now let us talk about it. As we know that amoeba is a single-celled organism found in pond water, or we can simply say that amoeba found in fresh water. The cell has a cell membrane, cytoplasm and a nucleus. The cytoplasm has many bubbles like vacuoles. The cell has finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Pseudo means false and podia means the podia is derived from the word podium means fit, which helps it to move and capture food. When amoeba comes near food particles, pseudopodia is produced around the food particle. The food particle is trapped in a food vacuole. In the food vacuole, the food is digested by digestive enzymes and absorbed. The undigested waste is then sent out from the body. Again, I am going to share a video showing the nutrition in amoeba.
Amoeba. The food and its way of obtain different from organism to organism. Example: amoeba takes food using fingers-like extensions of cell surface called as pseudopodia. They fuse over the food particle by forming a food vacuole. Inside amoeba, that food vacuole's complex substances are broken down into simple substances. Then, these simple substances diffuses into cytoplasm. The remaining undigested material is moved to the surface of cell and thrown outside.
Doubts में अटकते subjects में लटकते.
Hope you understand both these mode of nutrition in ruminants and amoeba. Thank you and have a nice day.